everybody. My name's Bunny.
And I'm Kay.
And we are
Bitchin' and Eatin'.
And this is
dinner time?
pretty much
Mukbanging dinner timey thingy way pangy chingy. Magica wugga wugga. Oh, I just spell myself. You guys, you've seen it here before. And now it's back for a second appearance. Oops. Carl's Jr. And the cat's knocking stuff off the counter. It almost looks like Carlos Jr. Oops. Carl's Jr. Okay. Now let me untie the bag. See what we've got. Ooh, you can have this bag. But you also get this from this bag. Hold on. There's not very many on that.
no.
Here. There.
Hush.
I get this from this bag. And that could go away for the next couple of years. Okay, you guys. Water. Water. Favorite Diet Pepsi. Okay. We've got what we normally get. The famous style with cheese. Oh, I got a tomato. Oh.
We apologize for the cat.
Mm-hmm.
Tweets, go away.
Mm. Mm-hmm. I think they're using different buns this time.
They look like the same buns.
Maybe it's just me. Mm-hmm. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on here.
Angel, quit.
Angel, that's enough. You could probably use some onion rings right now. Toby didn't save any from last night. Could just toss them on our booger.
I didn't know we were having hamburgers, or I would have went out to the freezer and defrosted some.
I know. That's okay. Maybe next year. The bitchin' mom surprised us, you know. And said, "Here, this is what we're having for dinner." I was like, "Yay!" And then stuff. But you guys, how was your night? How was your night? I know we saw you yesterday, but how was your night? Mm-hmm. I feel like I haven't drank water in years. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm not getting enough, you know? Could be. Might be.
I want to see you open your soda with one.
Forgive me, guys. I did not see that. That's disgusting. This white sauce. Try no hands.
I just ate an onion.
Okay, maybe not.
Actually was not bad.
Oh, it's got salt all over me. Oh well. Sorry guys, that was a testament of brutality and it was terrible. But it was good. What did you think of the onion?
It was okay.
Mm-hmm.
It was a small piece.
You can't really taste them on the booger though.
Get down.
And there was a cat back there.
Felt like Darren.
He's sleeping up in my room.
Mm.
It's just so good. So they have having those ads for the A1 burgers at Dairy Queen. They're not good unless you like overpowering A1 steak sauce. I'm a messy person, you guys. So messy, you don't even know. Maybe you do know. We're wearing very similar colors. See? The shades are similar. Well, I mean, this one's purple and that one's blue, but they match well together. Especially with the poop. I found another smiley face put on the tree. I've had him up in my room.
What was he doing up there?
It was the one Jules gave us a long time ago. Before we had our emoji tree. Shut up. Shh. Oh yeah. On the contrary, my dear lady, we are not coming to your aid. What? Why not? Because you're fired. But no. Why aren't you talking?
I'm not used to these pre-recorded videos unless we're
Yeah.
vlogging.
Well, you have to. Start getting used to it. Because of what we're going to be doing again. Pre-recorded mukbangs. Mukbangs, my bad. Sorry, please don't kill me. Just kidding. Please do. Just kidding. Don't. But not really. But really. But not really. But really. I'm not pissed, you know. Froggy went a courting and he did right. Sorry. Froggy went according and he did, right? Get it? Mm-hmm. Hmm. My bunny lies over the ocean, arse. My bunny lies over the sea, arse. My bunny lies over the ocean, arse. So bring back my bunny to me, arse. Get down, little boy cat. Down. Oh, I found a red pin. You found a red pin. Oh, I found a red pin. You found a red pen? Yes, I found a red pen. Is that not what I just said? You found a red pen. Shut up! But it's a red pen. And your voice. So, it gets higher. I don't care! I'm Batman, bitches. No, I'm not. I love you, poop. Nope, that didn't work. Nope, can't do it.
If Dell saw you do that, she would shoot you.
I know, it's her poop, though.
Damn right it is.
He flirts with her. You know that one song?
What song?
I'm the boss.
Actually, no, it's called I'm the Boss.
I'm the boss.
Oh. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me again. Excuse me.
That last bite really tastes charbroil. I'm wondering where it was for the rest of it.
I don't know. Maybe it died.
Maybe. Maybe they forgot it.
Maybe. Alright, everybody. Thank you for liking,
Commenting,
and subscribing.
and please turn on your notification bell twice. So you know when we upload videos next.
And we will see you guys later. Bye.
Also remember to shine bright like a diamond.
And remember, you guys, tomorrow we are doing our Q&A, so this is the last day that you can turn in your questions for the Q&A. Bye.
We love you.